welcome everyone to this tutorial of today. And today I want to show you how to open an email account. Basically, we used to need email for various reasons, for chatting, for communications. That's me now. An email is official way of communicating with people. So if you don't have an email address or you are thinking of creating one and you have been wondering how to open an email account, then you are in the right place, because today I will show you easy guide and step by step that will help you so that you can be able to create an email address for yourself and you become a master in doing that. So welcome. So first thing, you need to open your browser. It can be whatever, either Chrome or whatever browser you are using. Then you're gonna put in the search bar by writing create Gmail account. So you are just going to write that only and then you click enter. So once you are there, you're gonna scroll down to the one which is written create Google account with an answer at the end. So you're gonna click it, which is saying that create Google account. So you wait for it to come. Once you are there, you'll be having so many options in this place because we have used another way to open an email account. So in this place, you have two choices. It's either you choose a Google account for business or you choose it for your personal purpose. And so many people, you can use it for business if in case you want to open it for an organization or you want to represent a company you're doing. But in most cases, it is better just go with for myself. So in that place there, you can put whatever email you can want to put, depend with your niche. So for me, I'm just going to put a name, which is James, and you can just select the last name, Kindle. You can put whatever name you want to put, maybe which is your name there. Then from here, you are going to put the email address, which will allow people now to find you. This is like a phone number that will be used to communicate. Whenever somebody asks you for email, that's what you'll be giving that username, which is an email address now. So here we found the choices have been taken. So we choose the one which is having James Kindle 208 at gmail.com. Then we are going to go ahead and create a password. And creating a password here, it needs you 8 characters, and that password has need to have a cap lock, that's mean capital letters mixed with small letters. And then you're gonna add on top of it either number and any characters. So that will make your password more strong. And this one will prevent people from hacking your account or things like that. So it's very secure, by the way, by putting a good password. So here I'm going to go ahead and put my email. I'm gonna go ahead and put my password, as you can see. Then I confirm. So after confirming it, then I click next. I've been taken to a session whereby I have to provide my personal details. That one, in most cases here, you can put phone number and you can put recovery email address. But it is very important for you to put a phone number. This one will help you in case you forget your password or things like that, or when you need to get back to your account whenever it is hacked. So that one is very important. For this case, as I'm showing you tutorial, I'm going to leave it blank, but it's not that it's not important. It's really important. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and select the date I'm born, which means I will start by month. Then I put the day next, and I complete it with the year. Then afterward, I'm going to choose a gender, either male or female, or you can decide to say you don't want to choose. So rather not say it's your choice. So it's better you choose the type of gender which you are, then you click next. So here in this section, you are just going to read terms and conditions. You see if they are okay with you, and then you go ahead, you click agree. So in this section now, it means now you already create an email account. This means now your email account is ready, as you can see now. So this is an email account now. However, we can go ahead now if we want to go to the email whereby we can chat and we can send people messages and things like that. So in this tab, we are going to open another tab and create Gmail login. This one is going to allow us to be able to go to the Gmail whereby we can write messages and check messages. So we are going to choose sign in. You can see now it is signing automatically since we already create an account and this was the account which was already in the server, or which was already saved in the computer. So yeah, you can see now, we can see the message which has been sent to us by Google, and since it is new, but with time we can get more. So yeah, this is a place whereby you can send, if you want to send somebody a message, you just go to a place which is written compose, write whatever email that you want to write, that you have been addressed with, and then you select the subject, and then from there you can go ahead now and write your message. So I'm just showing you an overview. This is not official, an overview, but you can go ahead and write sometime. Then there down, you can attach documents and then you click send.